Hi my dears, today I'm gonna show you how to make these cute earrings from small leather pieces. You see, I show you some options. This time I will make it with black patterned leather and different black pieces. You see, you can use the smallest pieces for this project, and don't be afraid to use shining leather. The patterns will be round, two sizes. Draw them. This leather will be the basic pattern, just like this. Don't forget to make two pieces. Cut them carefully. We will need them because on top of it we will fix the small pieces. Okay, they are ready. So now the small pieces, round pieces, you will see for what we will use them. Again, cut two pieces. We are done. Now the small pieces, you can cut them as you like. I prefer to use triangle shapes. They are easy to use for this project. Shining black leather, silver pieces. You can trim them a little bit to make them more or less the same. Another kind of leather, you see, it's a printed leather. Now we have to, you see, they are really small pieces, and the earrings will look just like this. Now we have to use some glue to fix them. You know the procedure. A little glue on the back side of each piece. It will be easier to sew them later. Put a little glue on the back side of each piece. Here you can see we have to start to arrange the pieces as you like it. It doesn't matter how you will fix, how you will choose them. And the last piece. They are arranged like a semicircle. The small circle is in the middle, you see. And now we have to hammer them to fix them well. For the lining I will use shining gray leather. I choose this small piece. It will be enough for the two earrings. Again, a little glue to fix the pieces and the whole earrings parts. Yes, it will be enough for two earrings for this project. Press them gently and they are ready to be stitched. Again, a little bit hammer time. Yes, and the process continue with my sewing machine. I changed the colors. For this project I will use black threads. They are ready, and you can see the pieces before the cutting. Cut the threads. And you have to fix them with the lighter. Cut cut the leather. Don't forget that we have a stitching, so be careful to not cut the stitching. Ta-da! They are ready. 2 shining black earrings, almost ready. So now we have to make a hole for the jump ring and the hook. First, put the jump ring. I use big jump rings. The hook and close the jump ring. Dang dang, like this. Repeat the same with the other earring, and we are almost done. The 2 earrings are ready. Now we have to try them. Shining black earrings. That's all, my dears, for today. If you like my lesson, subscribe, leave comments. I will be happy to hear you.